Hello and welcome to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I'm going to draw a very unique object. I think it is a part of a machine. Okay, for the first, please activate some snap functions in LibreCAD. There are three snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap to intersection. Okay. Okay. I think we should start from this line. This is a horizontal line. Select horizontal line tool and type the length in the box. The length is 92. Type 92 and left click to put the line. Okay. Oh, too close. Maybe there. Yeah. And then I think I should try this one. Okay, the distance is 50. So okay, we can know the distance for this object is 12.5, and this object is 12.5, same with this object. So the result 12.5 plus 25 plus 12.5 is 50. Okay, select vertical and type the length for the object is 12.5. Select snap point and put the line into the position. Okay, the next is horizontal line. The length is 8. Select horizontal and type the length 8. Snap point start. Left click to put the line. Okay, the next line is vertical one. Okay, type the length 25. Select snap point and left click. Okay, horizontal line length 8, snap point N. Okay, next the vertical, the length is 12.5, snap point N. Okay, very easy. Right click to escape. Okay, now I'm going to create this one. Okay, we know the length is 45, but we don't know how the length for this one. Okay, select horizontal and type the length 45. Select snap point start, put the line, right click. Okay, jump to this circle. Okay, the point of the center of this circle is 45 from this line. So we will try to use, okay, this line is 45, so we will use vertical line and type the length is 50 from this one, 50. Select snap point start, put the line, right click. I think okay, we can create the circle. Select circle, center with radius, and the diameter for the circle from the image is 25. So we will type the radius is 25 divided by 2. Okay, put the circle into the middle, at the middle of the line. Okay, make sure your middle points is 1. Right click to exit the tool. And now okay, I want to create this part. Okay, we got the distance is 29, sorry, 29. Okay, now select parallel tool, type the distance 29 and left click below the line. Okay, Select lengthen tool. I want to extend the line. Select lengthen. Okay, type the length 100. Okay. And left click at the right side of the line. Okay. Now right click on your mouse to exit the tool. The next, okay, select trim tool. Left click at the line as a limit or the edge, the end of the line you want to extend. Okay, and select the line you want to extend. Okay, right click again to exit the tool. And now we got the distance. Okay, for the force is yes, we 10. So 10 divided 2, the result is 5. Select parallel and type 5 in the box, and we got the force distance. Okay, the next is 32 divided by 2 is 16. Type 16 in the box and left click near the line. Okay, the next is 45 divided by 2 is okay, we need calculator. 45 divided by 2, okay, 22.5. Type in the box 22.5 and left click near the line. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Now select 2 points line. Left click, right click to exit the tool. Right click again. I want to let this one and egg. Okay, we got the distance egg. Select vertical and type the length egg. Select snap point start. Left click to put the line. Right click to exit the tool. Delete this one. Okay, next select 2 point. Oh no, select horizontal and left click. Okay, extend the line. Okay, select trim tool. Left click at the limiting line and left click at the line you want to extend. Right click again. Now select trim 2. Left click, right click to exit the tool. Select again trim 2. Sorry. Left click. Okay. Right click. Okay. Now select trim line. Left click at the circle and the line you want to trim. Right click again to exit the tool. Now select this object. Okay, select mirror tool. Left click for the first point of mirror line and left click for the second point of mirror line. Okay, select keep original, click OK. Oh, how about the line? Just select the line and select mirror tool. Left click again. Okay, so next I want to create this line. Okay, so we will get the center of the circle. Oh sorry, I think we should delete this one and this part of circle. Use divide tool. Left click at the circle, the point, the circle and the point. Right click, select the unnecessary part and delete. Okay, next create this line. I think the line is 50. Okay, select vertical line, type 50 in the box. Select snap point end. Okay, put the line. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Select 2 points line. Left click, right click to exit the tool. Right click again. Now I want to draw this circle. Select circle, center with radius. Okay, the radius is a half of diameter. It is 36. Sorry, divided by 2. Left click at the middle of the line. Okay, right click to exit the tool. We can delete the line for now. Yes. Okay, and I want to create this part. Okay, I think it will same. Okay, we will know the distance. Yeah. Okay, select the dimension tool, select vertical, left click. Okay, the distance is 7. Okay, now select parallel line tool, select parallel and type the distance 7. Left click outside the circle. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Oh, we should create the line again. Okay, draw line, right click, right click. Now select trim tool, left click at the line and the circle you want to trim. Right click, now delete the line. Yes. Okay, next okay, to know this center point of the circle, we need angel line. Okay, the distance for the angel is 39 and the angel 36. Okay, select angel line tool. Okay, type the angel is 36. Yes, 36. Type the length is 39. Okay, select snap point start, put the line. Okay. Very good. Right click to exit the tool. Now I want to create this circle. The diameter for this circle is 10. So select circle, center with radius, type 10 divided by 2. Oh. Or you can type 5. And put the circle. Okay, next right click to exit the tool. Okay, next copy this line. I think select move for copy. Okay, left click at the reference point and left click at the target point, select clip original, click OK. Okay, select the line again. Okay, yes. Oh, we need to delete this one. And next it's a big problem. sorry. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry, it's my mistake about the lines. Okay, we need to create this outside the circle. Okay, I think we should use relative angle. Yes, and type the angle is 90. Yes, 90, and type the length. Yeah, the length is 18, but we will use 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, 9. And left click at the line. Okay, and put the line into the position like this. Okay. Right click to exit the tool, right click again, select the line, select move for copy, move the line. Okay, move again the line. Okay, press ESC or escape on your keyboard. Now select a circle 2 points. Okay, left click again, right click to exit tool. I think we should delete this line. Select trim tool, select trim and left click at the line, Okay, right click. Now select this line, select this line and left click at the circle, right click again. Okay, we can delete this line. Okay, next select divide tool, left click left click at the point, left click again at the circle at the point, right click, no, delete. Okay, now we want to join the shape. Select all the shape and select join tool, create polyline from existing segment. Okay, select again all the shape and select hatch tool and mark the solid fill box, click OK. Oh yeah. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching our video. See you in next time in next video. Bye.